Hi everyone, you are tuned to Digital Abhi. This is 19th episode in the series of WordPress tutorials, and in this particular episode we will see how you can change permalinks in WordPress. For general information, you should know that permalink is kind of a short form for permanent link. It is a type of link which is kind of permanent for your pages, for your post and for your website. So to change permalinks, what you have to do is go to the sidebar, then settings, and then click on permalinks. Here in the permalink settings, you can see that there are different formats from which you can choose the format for your permalink. So from these given formats, choose the permalink structure which suits you the most. And since permalink is also a factor in SEO, so I would suggest you to choose the structure of permalink very wisely and very carefully. We will see how permalink affects SEO in upcoming videos in the upcoming series of SEO. I will tell you in detail about that. So currently we have selected post name as our permalink, and from the given structures and formats of permalinks, you can choose any of the structure which suits you the most, from plain, day and name, month and name, numeric, or post name. Also, you can create a custom structure for your permalink. So let's say for your permalink structure, you first want the year in which your post is published, and then the month in which the post is published, and then the post name. So what you have to do is first select the custom structure, then select year, then month, and then post name, and after that click on save changes. Or let's say in your permalink structure, you first want the author name who wrote the post and then the post name. So what you have to do is click on author, then post name, and then save changes. So you can either choose from the given structures and formats, or you can create a custom structure for a permalink from all the given below options. But I would recommend you to select the post name structure for a permalinks, as it is better when it comes to SEO. So choose your desired format and then click on save changes. So this is how you can change permalinks for your WordPress website. That's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till that time, stay happy, stay blessed, and subscribe to Digital Abhi.